Okay, I'm going to the post office. I need to deliver a package. It's probably about 3 miles. It's not a race, it's just a leisure ride. It's about 45 degrees outside right now. I got my hoodie on. All the air is like in the hood. It's cold. Oh man. Hey, that's better. Okay, we're good. A little bit of a hill. I should have brought some water. Squirrel. Oh yeah. I want to cinch up my hoodie real quick. Oh no, fuck. There we go. Oh man. Okay. Whew. That didn't really help. Okay. Damn, dude. I didn't warm up or nothing. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a little bit windy. Okay. Holy moly. I'm not racing, I'm just riding. Gotta tell myself that, or else I feel like I'm in a challenge here. I'm not challenging myself. I'm just getting out. I used to ride my bicycle every day as a kid. Back in the 1900s. Nice when you have a downhill. Can gain a lot of distance without pedaling. Oh man. Yeah, I'm waiting for my nose to start running. It's a little bit. It is a little bit. Okay, here we are at the Joe Dice Swinging Bridge. Ay, ay, ay. It's gonna be loud. Kind of. Okay, my legs aren't built for this. Ay, ay, ay. Ay. Woo! Okay. Now I can go a couple of ways. I can go straight up this street up here and cross over on the bridge, or I could just turn right, cross over the highway. I think I'll cross over the highway here. It's never so busy where you gotta wait forever to cross. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, almost there. Well, gas officially is over $3 a gallon. Not a surprise. I'm definitely in a granny gear. Oh man. Okay. I think it's the next street. Next street. You're good, you're good. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. Holy moly. Oh yeah. I'd say it's probably less than 3 miles. Stop. Okay. Oh. Okay. Shoo. Okay, let's put this here. Okay. Man, catch my breath. Hello. Good, thanks.
What can I help you with?
I'm gonna mail a package here. I decided to ride my bicycle. I haven't done that in a long time. I'm so out of shape.
That's okay. Did better than I would, then I would have never gone on it.
Just imagine people that live in mountains or hills.
I don't know how they do it.
Oh my gosh.
Anything liquid, fragile, perishable, potentially hazardous?
No.
Okay, go ahead and hit the green continue button for me first.
Okay.
And then you're going to hit the red no for me after that. Feeling it in your gut?
Yeah, my heart rate.
Yeah. I can go Grand Advantage for $680, expected in 4 days, or I can go Priority Mail for $1160, expected in 3.
We'll do the first choice.
First one?
Yeah. Thanks. Whew.
Expected they're on Monday.
Okay.
Any stamps for you?
I don't.
You go ahead and put your card in, just don't take it out till it leans back edge. Hold on for the tab.
Oh, I do either way, it's fine.
No, I can do the tab.
Okay.
Just give me a second. There you go, should be ready for you now.
Okay, cool, thanks. Whew. Cool. All right.
Get the receipt
Oh yeah,
for
okay.
you.
Cool, thanks.
That delivery date's right there for you, that tracking number, and then there's a survey at the bottom.
Cool, thank you so much. Oh man. Whew. Okay.
If you catch your breath, be careful.
I know, I'm like just now getting warmed up.
That's a little cold this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too, thanks. You going in there? Oh yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Okay. Camera is pointed upwards because I'm not on my bike. I just realized that. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Okay. Oh. My nose running. Ready, set, go. Just gonna cross over here. I think I'm gonna go I'm gonna go across the bridge this time. Going back this way is a little bit easier because the downhill portions I think are a little bit less. My pinky finger in my glove is not all the way in. Fix that real quick. Oh, there we go. It was just enough to be annoying. Okay, come on, brakes. We're good, we're good. Let's cross over here. Oh, you know what? I lied. I should have gone straight. It's fine. I lied. We're not going across the bridge. I went the wrong way. Anyway, it's fine. The only hill that I got to worry about now is the one by our house. And I'm exaggerating. I'm not worried about it. It's one that I gotta face. Okay. Whew. Okay, anybody coming? Nobody's coming. Oh yeah, there's one car. Okay. All right. Holy moly. This restaurant here burned up a little bit, caught on fire a while back ago, and I think they're just about to have a grand opening again. Got a lot of work going on in there. They must have had some good insurance because they've been hard at work. Consistency, just consistent pedal, no racing, just keep your pedals moving. Man, here comes the phlegm, sinuses draining. Oh man, it's nippy. 45 degrees in the shade, it's chilly. 45 degrees in the sun is a little bit less chilly, that's all. Just by a degree. Oh man, woo! I'm glad that the weather's a little bit nicer though. The winter that we had was, I would say, out of a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being cold and wintry, we were at like a 2. It hasn't really been a winter. But it has not been 70 and 80 degrees yet, consistently. I can't wait till it is. Everything's back to green. Okay, up ahead is the hill that I have to ride up. Oh man. Here we go. Phew. It's gonna be granny gear time. I'll try not to walk it. Be interesting to know what kind of grade this is. It's pretty steep. Okay. All right, we're in the higher, lowest gear, lowest. Be where it's easier to ride. Yeah, that's definitely steep. I find if you zigzag sometimes, it'll let you catch your breath for 1 second. Oh man, my heart's pumping. Oh. Okay. Oh my. Sometimes I wonder how fast my heart rate is. And then other times I think maybe I don't need to know, just in case if it's elevated really high, it might scare me. It's not beating that bad. Okay, let's go. Whew. Nice cruise. I got like one more hump of a hill. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, this road. There's a cat. Okay. And we're back. Just like that. Okay, well that's it. That's the bike ride.